See the next point. The shadow obtained from a point source and the extent source. For to understood this point, we have to see actually how this experiment or how the point source give the shadow and the extent source give the shadow in form of experiment, and then we can understood how we obtain the shadows from point source and the extent source. Now next point is eclipses. What is an eclipse? When the moon, the sun and the earth come in a straight line and eclipses take place, and that is called eclipse. We know that the moon is revolved around earth. The earth along with the moon is revolved around the sun. The orbits of the revolutions of all are different, means earth orbit are different and the moon's orbit is different, and because of that every full moon day and every new moon day, at that night the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse are not take place. Solar eclipse means what? When the moon comes between the sun and the earth, the shadow of moon is cast on earth and the sun cannot be seen from that part in the shadow. This is called solar eclipse. Means in the solar eclipse, from earth we cannot be see sun. That's why solar eclipse. And lunar eclipse means what? When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, the shadow of earth is cast on moon. A part of the moon is covered. This is called lunar eclipse. There are two types of the eclipses: complete eclipses and partial eclipses and the total eclipses. Partial solar eclipse and the total solar eclipse, like that the partial lunar eclipse and the partial solar eclipse. For this also we have to see one video for better understanding of the lunar eclipses and the solar eclipses. Now zero shadow day. Zero shadow day means at that day the shadow is not seen when exactly the sun is reaches to overhead. That is called zero shadow day. Means when the sun reaches exactly our overhead and our shadow is not fall or we are not see our shadow. That means zero shadow day. On that day at noon, shadows completely disappear. Means we cannot be seen our shadow, and it can be only happen or take place in the region between the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north and between the Tropic of Cancer Capricorn 23.5 degree south. For betterment understood that, you have to refer your geography book. Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. At this region, this event are take place. So you have to understood this lesson. So complete the exercise, and also I have to send this solution of this exercise. Thank you.